there's just a lot going on with this. So yeah, he drove up from Dallas to get a boring light installed. And then, you know, realistically, he wanted to get a quote to PPF the whole thing. After, you know, inspection, I realistically couldn't give him a quote because we wouldn't be able to warranty it because of the condition of the vinyl wrap, right? So we've got bubbling here. There's already buckling around this area. This section under the mirror is patched and miscut. More bubbling. They decided to seam this A-pillar right there. You've got all these edges that are pulling back. Whereas, you know, even if he did want to proceed with PPFing this, we would wrap all of these edges because it's two pieces of film stacked on top of each other. So we want to make sure we seal where all of these air channels would have been. But because, you know, we've got failing vinyl all over the place, it just makes it really, really hard. Like, I mean, this whole edge from here to here, it looks like they tried to wrap it and then that failed. Corners are pulling off. We don't know how this is possible, but they've got buckling along this edge right here, which means they overstretched a flat panel. This door is seamed here. It didn't even go to the body line, and it's seamed right here. So it's a 3-piece door. You know, didn't cut this channel out right here that separates the A-pillar and the fender. Now we're in talks of doing a full print with PPF, same type of design. His biggest thing that he hates is that when he washes it, he can feel the two different vinyls. He has to be like extremely careful versus it just being a printed wrap, PPF'd, and then a quick wash. Look at that thing. Look how pretty it is. Kevin did that by the time I walked around the entire vehicle. That's how easy it is to install boring light.
Boring light's installed. Super easy. I don't know how long that was, 5-10 minutes. So uses factory harness. It's already in. We're gonna go ahead and put this fascia plate back on. I just think it's wild that you can just put work out there like that. Super nice dude. I think he just got taken advantage of because he said it was his first time ever wrapping a car, so he don't really know too much about it. You know, and you generally, you don't know much about something, you're gonna trust that the shop that you go to is not gonna feed you bullshit. They're gonna treat you right. But, you know, now this customer will, you know, is properly educated. And, you know, hopefully he can just get a refund. He can just come back up here. We'll take care of him. He wants to do some underglow. He wants to do some XK glow lighting. He wants to do all kinds of stuff. We can, of course, do it for him. Yeah, that's the other crazy part is we designed these lights to be 100% plug and play. All you have to do is just take the light out. But as we know and can see, if they wrap cars and they don't even take these flares off, which pop right off, they're not going to take this fascia flare off. There's no way.